What's up everybody, it's your girl Mischief Dance here, and today I am doing another vegan video. Today I'm going to be making a 4-ingredient milkshake, okay? A 4-ingredient vegan milkshake. It's so simple, you guys. You can do it at home, and let's get started. First thing up, you guys, we have our vanilla almond milk. This is going to liquefy it to make it drinkable. Then we have our cinnamon ice cream cookie by Cool House, and they look like this. They are so delicious on your own. You guys can eat them by themselves, but I found out that they taste so good in a milkshake, so you're gonna wanna do that. The second ingredient that we have is our Biscoff cookie butter. I love this. All of these ingredients are vegan. And the fourth ingredient that we have, you guys, is our cinnamon graham crackers. This is a cinnamon cookie butter ice cream milkshake, okay? You know, something else goes good with the cinnamon cookie butter is the cinnamon Biscoff cookies. And I think you can find them at Walmart. They're so delicious. Something else, if you guys can't find them, Oreos, they also work. And guess what? All of this stuff is vegan, you guys. All vegan, all right? So I'm gonna get started and just show you how I mix everything up. And let's get started. So today I'm going to be using the Magic Bullet. I'm going to start with my cookie, my ice cream cookie. And we're just going to use about half of this baby. Toss it right in our Magic Bullet. I'll use about 2 graham crackers. You guys, I'm not the best at measuring, but I would say you could use about 2 tablespoons of your cookie butter. I just got it off the fork. So, dumping it in here. The messier, the better. And our last final ingredient is the vanilla almond milk. So you can use about a cup of almond milk with your milkshake. No cookie butter left behind. I'm trying to get all of this off of here. Lick the fork. And that's all you do. Yeah. If you want, you guys, if you're feeling fancy, you don't have to. This is optional. It'll taste just fine without it. But the Sahale snacks, you know, these are my favorite. You can use these too. It's like basically like a nut trail mix, which is really good. It has some walnuts in here. Walnuts, coconuts, cashews, pecans. If you want to do that, it is again not necessary, but I like a little extra sweetness. I like a little crunch to mine, so I'm going to add it in too. And I'm not even using that much. So voila, simple, just like that. check it just to make sure. And this looks blended perfectly. Let's try it, do the amazing taste test. You guys, this is like a party in your mouth. This is good. I really do strongly recommend the Sahale banana rum pecans as an optional thing, but I think I should have included that in the ingredient. But these are delicious. So there's a link. You can get them on Amazon. I have a link below that you can purchase these. This makes this taste so good, you guys. Also add in a banana if you'd like, but cheers. Again, this recipe was 4 ingredients, 4 major ingredients. Oh my God, you guys. This is amazing. You guys have to try this. Definitely, definitely, strongly, highly recommend, whatever you want to call it, the Candied Pecans by Sahale. They are really good in this for you guys who like nuts. So there's a link. You can get them on Amazon. I have a link below that you can purchase these. This makes this taste so good, you guys. And you guys can also add in a banana if you'd like. Enjoy the dance party and look out for some more vegan treats that are easy to make because they're coming. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, catch me next time. Thank you for watching.